Thank you. I just can't help but make a short comment, Madam Chair, because I was listening to a press conference that is now going on with the other house, and some of our counterparts were saying that we should not be doing or conducting this investigation, which I don't feel is proper, Mr. President, Madam Chair. I think it should be noted that a lot of government funds were used, a lot of videos and even recordings, text messages, etc. Yung nakita natin. Sana lahat po tayo on board dito bilang mga kawani ng pamahalaan. Maging interesado tayo kung ginagamit yung pangalan natin, ginagamit yung opisina natin. Sana maging interesado tayo doon sa katotohanan na mayroong mga instances, Madam Chair, na yung naghihirap, naghihikahos na kababayan natin, humihingi ng tulong sa gobyerno, ipagkakait yung tulong kung hindi pipirma. Nakakasalukasok po yun. Kahit sinong Pilipino, hindi dapat baliwalayin yun. And that's the main reason, Madam Chair, that's why we are conducting this hearing. But on another note, because my good friend, our good friend, the brilliant lawyer from the House, Senator Congressman Marcoleta mentioned my name, I think it is clear for our people when we get elected as members of the Senate or the House of Representatives, it's very clear, Madam Chair, that we are not only being tasked to legislate laws. We are tasked even to exercise our mandate, to exercise our oversight function in ensuring the checks and balances exist. May nag-check, may nagmamatsyag, may nagbabantay sa executive, maging sa budget ng judiciary, dumadaan ho sa Kamara at dito sa Senado. Yung pagpapalit kanina ng kalye, paborito nating example yan, idinadaan sa Kamara, idinadaan sa Senado. Ito pa kayang pagpapalit ng kaluluwa ng bayan? Isang boto lang? Ibig sabihin, yung bumoto doon sa Batanes na 7,000 votes lang, congressman ka na, versus ang pinakamababang senador na na-elect, 15 million votes. Pareho lang yung boto nila. Ganun ba talaga yon yung intention ng framers of our Constitution? So I just wanted to put that on record, Madam Chair, and again, appeal to our colleagues, to our counterpart, na hindi po biro itong nangyaring peking initiative na ito. Marami pong nagrereklamo. Tao ho, humihinga, naghihingi ng tulong sa gobyerno, nagdarahop, dinadanglel yung AIX, pag hindi ka pumirma, hindi kita bibigyan. We should all be united on this matter, Madam Chair, na i-reject natin ito, siguruhing panagutin kung sino man ang nasa likod nito. Maraming salamat, Madam Chair.